Hey everyone, welcome back to Mountain Road Ride, and this is another gravel ride of the week video. And today we're just outside of Culpeper here in Virginia in a place called Locust Hill Preserve. So this is actually privately owned farmland, and the reason why we're here is because there is a Dirty Kitten Gravel Grinder on the go. So initially the Dirty Kitten had a race planned for this date, but unfortunately due to circumstances they had to cancel that event. But they didn't want to disappoint all the entrants completely, and they felt that they still wanted to put something on the date that the event was scheduled to take place. And so they decided to create a socially distanced just group ride essentially. It's a gravel grinder, so people get to come to this beautifully privately owned farmland and enjoy the gravel roads on the day. So that's what it's all about. People have been very nice and staying socially distanced, and all the precautions have been taken by the organizers in terms of masks and keeping people spaced out. So I think that is definite plus, and really a nice gesture to make sure that the day doesn't just completely go to waste, and that we still get to come out here on a beautiful Virginia summer day and enjoy some gravel riding. So I'm going to take you out on the course right now. I've done one loop, and that's why you can see I'm kind of sweaty already. I wanted to scout out the course first. Next up, I'll take you along on that route, and then you can see what it's like in this beautiful part of Virginia. Alright, so let's get out on the course and you can check it out for yourself. The course consisted of a loop that stretched over 19.6 miles of privately owned farmland. Only one short section took riders along a public gravel road. Yeah, so I don't think it gets much better than those privately owned farm roads. So throughout the year these roads aren't accessible for the public to ride on, and on a day like today, being out here enjoying these beautiful trails is just a big plus. I was running my WTB 40mm nano tires on the day, and I really was thankful for each of those millimeters, especially given all of those rough gravel sections along the course. Alright, so since this is not an official race, but just a gravel grinder get together essentially, all socially distanced, it meant that the competitive nature of it kind of gets lost. However, just to spice things up a little bit, the organizers decided to throw in just a few friendly Strava challenges along the route. So there are actually 3 sections that they've marked out with a start and a finish line that indicate some of the Strava segments that they've designed, and they go up with some pretty tough hills, especially the last one. It's what they call the Kitten Crusher climb. That one tops out around 25% in gradient, so quite a rough one there. When you've got beautiful scenery like this, that already is entertainment enough. Check this out. awesome is this? Saturday morning, summertime, gravel riding, and that view over there. That's cycling. All right, we are making good progress on this lap. Up ahead, we've got the final Strava segment, the Kitten Crusher climb, and you can actually see it right there. Here we go. Alright, I made it to the top of that climb, second round up, also managed to ride all the way to the top, but that's why I couldn't record that. I needed every little piece of my strength to get up that hill. It is a tough one for sure, worthy of its name. Now, just the last little bit on some of these beautiful roads, and then we're back at the start. Now, let's get this done. Woo! Alright, so that was my spin around on the Dirty Kitten Gravel Grinder course. I hope you enjoy this. I definitely want to give a big shout out to Chris and Alex for putting together this event. Thank you so much for still continuing with some sort of an event, even during this time when all other gravel races have been cancelled. This obviously isn't the normal format of what we're used to, but at least having this social distance event definitely gives us a little something of what it would be like to do some gravel racing at this time. So thank you for that. For everybody watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and do subscribe to our channel. There will be plenty more gravel related content here on Mountain Road Ride. Until next time, I'm Vian. Enjoy your ride.